If you want to hit your first $10,000 month or stack $30,000 throughout Q3, this video is going to show you exactly how. Because while most people slow down during summer, the smartest creators and freelancers are leaning in and cashing in on this pivotal time of year. In this video, I am walking you through 7 high-paying services and income streams you can start or scale today, literally July 1st, all based on what brands and other creators need right now in July, August, and September. These are the exact offers that helped me make over 900 grand online in just a little over 3 years, and why I haven't made less than $20,000 a month all of 2025 so far. Let's get into it. But first, here's what most people forget. Q3 is actually the prep season for Q4. Big brands are getting ready for the biggest shopping months of the year: Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the gift-giving season. That means July through September is all about testing, content creation, and strategy. They need creators and freelancers to help with content variations, A/B testing, paid ad prep, and email marketing funnels right now so they're not scrambling later. And while brands are preparing for Q4 sales, other content creators and influencers are preparing their next digital product launches, setting up their end of 2025 evergreen funnels, and trying to stay consistent online while balancing summer travel or time off. This is the sweet spot where you as a content creator, freelancer, or digital entrepreneur yourself can offer massive value with massive paychecks. And I'm about to break down 7 ways you can cash in on it even if you're starting from scratch. Let's kick it off with one of the fastest growing offers in my business right now, UGC, or user generated content. If you don't know what UGC is, I'm not going to go into it in this particular video, but I have gone over it extensively in this video. So I'm going to link that for you in the description and you can watch that after this. For Q3, brands are needing UGC for their websites, social media, paid ad campaigns, and even Amazon listings. If you land 4 to 6 deals per month at $250 to $750 each, you're already between $2,000 to $4,500 a month with just one service. And if you're currently struggling to charge more than $100 a video as a UGC creator right now, there are 2 main reasons why this is the case that you could literally fix this week. 1, you don't understand how UGC actually helps a brand scale their exposure, generate more leads, and convert more sales. If you don't know why a brand would want raw footage of your content, if you don't know why a brand would want to whitelist your content on your personal Facebook account, or if you don't know how multiple hook variations help your client with A/B testing, it's going to be pretty impossible to break the $100 per order constraint that you're feeling right now. Or number 2, because you can't speak intelligently about the things I just mentioned, you also don't know what you could charge extra for as add-on premiums yet. Things like paid ad usage rights, exclusivity fees, hook variation, and CTA variation fees, whitelisting fees, and so on. So if you guys are interested in learning more about what those are and how much extra you could charge on each UGC order with them, comment add-ons in the comments and I'll make a video about those and tag you in it personally. But here's what's even easier to start with, especially if you're already good at editing content or want to repurpose what brands already have without being on camera yourself. Our second service, Spotlight, content repurposing and variation editing. With this service, you don't have to film content at all to still get paid the big bucks, because brands are sitting on tons of content that they have received from other creators in the past, and they just don't know how to reuse them. They're actually more willing to just go pay more creators for new content than use the treasure trove of content they already have. And yes, I did just quote ChatGPT. No, he did not write that sentence for me, but this is the first instance in my entire life where treasure trove actually makes sense. So if you can take one raw video and turn it into 5 edits with different hooks, links, or calls to action, that's extremely valuable to brands in Q3, but also just all year long. These editing packages can range from $500 to $2,000 plus per client, and they take far less time than creating videos or hiring new creators from scratch. This is also a super great upsell if you are already offering UGC or video editing for long form. But editing isn't the only thing businesses need help with in Q3, because unfortunately, most of them have no email strategy in place at all, which is a must-have for nurturing and converting audiences in Q4. So that perfectly segues me into our third service, Spotlight, email marketing. Q3 is when smart brands and creators are building their email systems for the biggest seasons of the year. They need welcome sequences, Black Friday funnels, abandoned cart flows, launch sequences, and more. If you know how to write write, or build in platforms like Klaviyo, Flowdesk, ConvertKit, etc., you can earn $750 to up to $3,000 per sequence. And you do not need to be a pro copywriter to offer this. You just need a solid structure, some storytelling, and a clear path to conversion for different types of brands. You can even use tools like ChatGPT to optimize and outline what you're writing. My email marketing partner does exactly this. And then you just have to be really good at humanizing what AI writes for you in your client's brand voice using your client's audience's expected verbiage. So far, we have gone over 3 highly profitable services out of our list of 7. So if you're interested in offering UGC, short form video editing, or email marketing services during this upcoming quarter as services in your business, boop that like button for me so I know what services I should dive deeper into on future videos. But what if you want something a little more consistent, maybe even something retainer based? Then you can get into our 4th service spotlight, social media management and marketing. A lot of creators and businesses want to take a break during the summer months because Q4 is about to get crazy, but they don't want to ghost their audience. So you can actually come in and offer content batching, scheduling, outbound engagement, and light community management for July through September, with the goal of helping them take some time to themselves while their business is still running and their content is still working for them in the background. Then, of course, they'll be more inclined to renew with you for the last, most demanding quarter of the year, so they can focus on running their business and taking care of their people at that time. With this service, you can literally charge anywhere from $1,500 to $6,000 per client per month, depending on the scope. And I say this from personal experience because I have personally had clients across that entire range, and a few of my students have as well. And speaking of planning ahead, one of the biggest opportunities actually comes from our 5th service spotlight, helping creators who want to launch their own digital offers. So many creators and influencers want to launch something in Q4, but they haven't started building it yet, nor do they know how. You can actually offer to help them plan, structure, and set up their digital product systems now. This could include tech stack setup, landing pages, email automation and email sequences, freebie lead magnet creation, and funnel strategy. These can be priced anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 depending on your role. For example, I have a marketing partner who I work with that handles all of this for my business at around $2,000 per month. But if you'd rather build something more passive for yourself, this next service spotlight is actually servicing only your own business, and it's one of the most low effort ways to start earning towards $10,000 per month in Q3, creating Amazon influencer videos. This one's for my behind the scenes creators. If you want something a little bit more passive and you don't want to post the videos you make on social media, Amazon influencer can bring in hundreds or thousands a month, depending on what types of products you review and how much content you can get up. For example, I have around 226 videos live right now on my Amazon storefront, and I generate between $400 to $800 passively every month off of those. But I also know some Amazon influencer creators who are generating in the $15K per month range because they have over 2,000 videos they've uploaded to their storefronts. And if the term Amazon influencer scares you a little bit, don't let it. Yes, you will have to apply and prove to Amazon that you have a social following of sorts and that you're engaging with your community, but that community could literally just be 1,000 people. Then all you have to do once you get accepted into their program is create short review style videos of products you already have around your home and simply upload them to the storefront. And then you earn commission every single time someone watches your content and makes a corresponding purchase. I recommend setting a challenge for yourself, 100 videos this month. Even 1 to 2 hours per day maximum can change your income entirely with this service. And if you guys would like a deeper dive on the Amazon influencer program, I'm also going to go ahead and link a few videos you might want to check out next in the description below. Now, we just spent some time going over an additional 3 highly profitable services out of our list of 7, all of which have made me insane amounts of money online. So if you're potentially interested in offering social media management, launch and digital product consulting, or becoming an Amazon influencer this month, boop that like button on this video so I know what services I should dive into on future videos. Last but not least, what if you're the type of person who's already been creating, launching, testing, and growing? What if you've been doing this long enough that you're ready to step into more of a leadership-based role and get paid to just think, strategize, and see the bigger picture for your clients? The truth is, guys, you do not actually have to do any of the work. You just have to know what works. Right now, creators, brands, and small business owners are overwhelmed trying to figure out how to prep for a successful Q4. And that's where you can come in during Q3, not as a creator in the literal sense, but as a marketing strategist or as an online business strategist challenges for them. You can offer one-off planning sessions, 30-day consulting relationships, content calendars, launch frameworks, or even just Q4 marketing game plans. You can charge anywhere from $500 to $4,000 per client per month, depending on the outcome you're helping them achieve, and exactly what services the package you land on offers them. I personally have 3 retainer clients who equal $10,000 per month just by offering this high-level service alone. And even better is when people feel how clear and supported you make them feel during the strategizing relationship, they'll often ask if you can help execute too. That's exactly how my student Danita turned a strategy session with a local roofing company into a $6,000 per month digital marketing retainer. This, in my opinion, is one of the most scalable offers because you're monetizing your thinking, your knowledge, and your experience, and your ability to zoom out and see the bigger picture for your clients, not simply monetizing your time. If you've been quietly gaining skills in content or email marketing, launch strategy, or marketing funnels, it's time to step into the expert thought leader seat and get paid hella well for it. So there you go, guys. We just dived into 7 ways to make $10,000 per month in Q3, or a total of $30,000 this quarter, even if you're starting from scratch. You do not need to do all of these by any means. Just choose 2 to 3 that fit your skills and the kind of business you want to build. And if you guys want an even deeper look into an additional 8 side hustles that I have personally tested and tried over the past 4 years that helped me generate almost 7 figures, I better see you in this one next.